To get the most out of your Zopa credit card, it is essential to understand how it works and how to use it effectively. First, Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products, including credit cards. The Zopa credit card is designed to help you manage your finances and improve your credit score. When you apply for a Zopa credit card, you will be given a credit limit based on your credit history and financial situation. It is crucial to make your payments on time to avoid interest charges and late fees. You can set up a direct debit to ensure that your payments are made automatically. One of the key benefits of the Zopa credit card is that it offers a low interest rate compared to other credit cards on the market. However, it is still important to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. If you are unable to pay your balance in full, try to pay as much as possible to minimize the interest charged. Another benefit of the Zopa credit card is that it provides you with real-time updates on your spending and balance. You can track your transactions and receive notifications when you are approaching your credit limit. This helps you to stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. To get the most out of your Zopa credit card, make sure to use it for everyday purchases and avoid using it for cash withdrawals or foreign transactions, as these often incur high fees. You should also avoid going over your credit limit, as this can damage your credit score and result in additional charges. By following these tips and using your Zopa credit card responsibly, you can improve your credit score and manage your finances more effectively. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement and understand the fees and charges associated with your card. With the right knowledge and practices, you can maximize the benefits of your Zopa credit card and achieve your financial goals.